Low gap shelter, 4.4 miles. Whew, finally warming up. Hey, my brother.
How are you?
Doing good. I'm gonna see you down there. No, I can't get any footage off this thing right now, but maybe eventually I will. Some pretty cool terrain that I'm walking on. I'm actually walking on my Crocs today. My heels started hurting yesterday, the back of my heels. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to make a adjustment on my shoes. I know some people say you gotta keep switching shoes till you find the one that fits your feet, or if it was just because I was tired. So luckily the weather's really nice. I actually enjoy walking in my Crocs. Once it gets warm, this might become, I don't know, I might actually walk in them. Let's see how my feet feel tonight though, before I completely jump on the Croc wagon. North Carolina is really beautiful so far. It was really foggy this morning. Now the sun's starting to peek out. I'm trying to hurry up and get somewhere because it's supposed to be like an inch of rain, like thunderstorms, 40-mile-an-hour wind gust. So I want to try to find somewhere low to bunker down. So that's my goal. It rained from like 4 in the morning to about 9 when I got up. It was so windy. But I found a perfect little hole under these trees to bunker down, and that was perfect. A couple times I started shaking my tent and I woke up, but I knew the Lord was with me, so it was really cool. And that wind last night, whew, I walked a lot of the trail, man. This stuff is hard to get around. Look, just uprooted that tree. Got this big old backpack on. Oh gosh. Like on the side of the mountain. Look at this. That wind was vicious last night. I'm telling you. Like 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Oh my goodness. I was in a little old tent. Picked a good little spot though. Bunkered down. Glad I didn't camp under any of these old fellers. Uh-oh. We got a roadblock. Oh, shoot. Oh, that was some deep mud. Should I go over or under? I think I'm gonna go over. Gosh, this is all mud. This is slippery. Rain last night. Slipping and sliding everywhere. Dun, 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 dun. I think this tops Blood Mountain. I can see more mountains out there than any other point so far. Gosh, that's beautiful. Thank you, Lord. Whew. So beautiful. As far as you can see. It's like the mountains fade into the sky. Wow. Now that's gonna be a tricky one. Oh. Ain't no climbing under there. Guess I go around. And that wind was bad last night. After a long, hard day, you ain't got no ice. You just use the spring water.